This is the entrance to the place we're staying. 15 minutes out of Dieppe. That's what it's called. Camping next to two rivers. Very nice place. Pond and everything. Didn't notice this before, but there's a castle on the hill. David Gray? No, James Blunt's. Here she comes, my beautiful assistant. Sweaty. Sweaty McGee.
It's very, 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 very warm.
Boiling.
Can you see the blue sky and the one little cloud?
Yeah, not many up there.
It's supposed to be a storm this afternoon, isn't it?
Yeah, banging it down. Probably in England.
Yeah, that's in England.
Not here.
It's just banging hot instead.
Yeah. What's it say? It is 24 degrees. It's hotter than that, isn't it?
It's hotter than that. It's...
Might be that in the shade. It's not that in the sun.
What time is it?
It's red hot. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon, Sunday, May the something.
What, English time or our time?
True. English time.
So...
Yep.
And we're on a campsite.
Yeah, we're camping in the van. So we have
we
a shower. We needed a shower.
We needed a shower.
Sam started to smell. Flies work. Not hovering around Milo anymore.
They're hovering around me. And it's lovely, isn't it? Lovely lake.
Yeah.
Nice little shop that sells...
Cold cider.
And not a bar, but a shop that sells beer you can drink outside.
Yeah. Tray behind. So we've walked to the other side of the camp. Lovely river running around the outside, quite fast flowing, but very beautiful. And then there's a big circular route round a pond that there's some guys fishing on. And we're up the other end of that, over there in the distance. It's lovely here, really nice. And there's a play area for kids.
Or Dave.
Or Dave. Dave might get on that swing. Dave and Deb's on that swing.
Or Deb's on slide. Dave on swing.
Yeah, all of them.
Or vice versa.
Only an hour ago we were bathing in the sun, and now we're still in the bath.
27 degrees.
Yeah. Sacre bleu. Just walked back to the van. I'll just head down to the river. Show you the river. Beautiful, and just over there in the distance, if I can zoom a bit more, there's a lake. Lovely. And then back to the river. And we're parked, or there's a fence in the way, so to walk back. So you'll be on the fence, so we've got some weather permitting outside seating, and there we are. Just a massive thunderstorm, massive. Lovely. So we got to the ferry only 24 hours early. So what do you do when that happens and they want another €185 from you? You play Monopoly and drink beer. I have nothing to say.
Why? What's happened?
The sun is out, the sky is blue. There's barely a cloud to spoil the view. But it's raining in England.